Kaspa is right now at a very interesting area where we could see a potential explosion from. In this video I will talk about Kaspa and share my exact trading plan for the next time for Kaspa. I will share potential price targets and potential buy areas, so watch this video until the end. And now let's go straight into the content. So first of all, we are clearly in a bullish trend on Kaspa, higher lows and higher highs all the way. And I think Kaspa is a great project with a very high potential. And after we made this new high right here, we then saw this correction to the downside again. And we right now came back into this demand zone, because in this demand zone, after this consolidation, we saw this push into this new highs. And if we are retesting this demand zone and then see a push to the upside, the chance is high that we see a bullish continuation to even higher prices. And as you can see, we saw this massive wicks down here. So the chance is really high that we just took liquidity and then moved to the upside again. So this is quite a bullish sign. And lately we saw this massive wicks right here and then moved to the upside and saw this bullish 4-hourly candle. So I think the chances high that we could see a bullish continuation to even higher prices. So I think if we are not breaking this demand zone to the downside, then I think the chances really high that we could see even higher prices. So I think this is definitely a great area to get into potential long trade. But if we would see lower prices again, then I think the chances high that we could see a move back into this demand zone, because this demand zone is a confirmed higher low. From this low, we saw this move to this higher high. So this demand zone is technically a strong demand zone. And if we come back into the zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is really high that we could see a bullish explosion from this demand zone. But right now we are in this demand zone. And as I said, the chance is higher that we see even higher prices. And to calculate a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. The first really interesting price target is this high right here at 18 cents. Because this was the last high and the chance that we could see a bullish continuation is there. And often over this important highs there's much liquidity. So I think this is the first really bullish price target. But if we see a move to even higher prices, then we have this next potential price targets. First we have the 1.618 Fibonacci with a price of 21 cents. And the next price target is the 2.618 Fibonacci right here at 26 cents. So I'm personally now going into a long position. I personally put my stop loss below this last demand zone. Because as I said, if we break down under this demand zone right here, then I think the chances is high that we could see even lower prices. And then I don't want to be in the trade anymore and don't want to be in a long position. So this SL makes really sense. The price target I will put at this last high. This is the conservative price target. But as I said, if we target this next Fibonacci, we then would have a risk reward ratio of 3, which is really nice. So this will be my trade. But if we see a bearish reaction on the smaller time frames, then I will definitely take some profits. I also shared this trade in my free Telegram group. So if you want to get free signals and daily updates on the crypto market, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all guys, Kaspa is looking really bullish. We are clearly in a bullish trend on the higher time frames. And we now came first into this demand zone again. We saw this bullish reaction and I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices. So I'll take this trade live right here. Of course, it's really important to have a good risk management, adapted risk management. And it's always important to have a stop loss which makes sense and to have a potential price target so you can close the trade with profits. But of course, guys, the chance is also there that we see a lower price again. And then I think the chance is high that we come back into this demand zone and then see a bullish reaction. So I'll definitely take the risk right here. I think it's a really nice setup, a simple bullish trend continuation setup. But if we see a move to lower levels again, then it's okay for me to get the stop loss. So guys, it's really important to always know that traders are also losing trades. The most important is that you are profitable on the long term, that you have a profitable strategy and a strict risk management. And then it's not important to win every trade. You just have to win more trades than you lose. And of course, if you have a risk reward ratio over 1 or 2, in this example of 3, then you have the chance to win 3 times what you're risking per trade. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.